We are at the National Museum of World War II Aviation in Colorado Springs, and this is Volunteer Appreciation Day. We have more than 200 volunteers here at the museum. We will be taking up as many of our volunteers who want to fly in one of these warbirds, and many of us have World War II history in our backgrounds. My father was an aviator in World War II and was in the South Pacific in combat, served more than 30 missions. The B-25 Mitchell, medium bomber, that was the kind of aircraft my dad was in World War II.
We're standing in front of the North American B-25. I am the pilot of the airplane. We'll have a total of 9 in this airplane. So we have 3 crew. There'll be a pilot and a co-pilot, and then a designated crew member in the back. So we'll take 6 other people. We have 2 that'll go in the front and 4 others in the back. We take off, and what we'll do is we'll kind of head north. We'll go out just south of the Academy, and then we'll make a turn over Garden of the Gods, maybe make 2 laps around the city and then come back. The number one thing is the volunteers. You know, with the volunteers, they do everything out here. It's all volunteer.
From building exhibits to researching to archiving to running the museum's gift shop.
It's really a huge community effort, and the volunteers are the one that make it what it is today.
It's a wonderful place to volunteer.
Getting to go up in a piece of history there's really nothing like it. Be smiling all day for sure.